What are the most important trade fairs? Textile and Texprocess. And their most valuable guests, Frau Fügung and Mr. Chance. After all, it's when you just bump into someone. It's the unplanned encounters that make trade fairs such a source of groundbreaking ideas and limitless progress. Here in Frankfurt, we actively organize these coincidences. Welcome to Textile. This is the world's key event for technical textiles and nonwovens. We offer a diverse range of products across 12 application areas for industries from automotive to fashion, medicine, and construction. But we don't stop at showcasing the bright sparks from the best R&D departments and their innovations. We showcase how ideas become reality, how they turn into tangible results. Welcome to Texprocess. This is the leading international trade fair for the garment manufacturing and processing of textile and flexible materials. This is where we demonstrate how smart machines help transform textile dreams into hard-working realities. We do this with the help of digitalisation, AI, proven know-how, and state-of-the-art efficiency tools. Textile and Texprocess. 2 trade fairs, endless encounters. Now all we're waiting for is you.